This is how to submit meeting minutes using the Qualtrics survey for Benton-Franklin County 4-H. So these are the minutes that were taken at the Cloverbuds 4-H Club meeting, and I have scanned them and uploaded them as a PDF to my computer and then saved the file. Next, I'm going to go to the Qualtrics website, and this website is linked in the newsletter. And the password that you will be using is password ! Once you click next, you will be taken to the survey, and 4-H clubs are required to turn in a minimum of 6 meeting minutes throughout the year. These are due on March 1st and October 1st, but you are welcome to turn them in whenever possible throughout the year. Next, you will add in your email address, and then you will add the 4-H club name that you are turning in the meeting minutes for. Ours is Cloverbuds. And then you will add the date of the general club meeting that you were turning in the minutes for. Ours was on March 26th. And the start time. Ours started at 6 p.m. and the end time, our meeting ended at 7:12 p.m. You can type everyone's names here who came to the meeting, but instead I'm going to type C attachment, and then I'm going to upload that PDF document that I showed you at the beginning of the video. You can also upload a picture if somebody wrote down the meeting minutes and you took a picture with your smartphone, or you can upload a Word document or whatever you use to create your meeting minutes. So I'm going to click open and that PDF will upload. And then for the what you did question, I'm going to also write C attachment and do the same thing. I'm going to upload that PDF with the meeting minutes on it. Once I click submit, it will take me to the next screen that says that my response has been recorded. So that is all that you have to do to submit your meeting minutes using the Qualtrics link for Benton-Franklin 4-H.